All right, the first thing we got to do is we've got to launch the association swim raft. Got to go out in the water out there, and then you can swim out there. Important safety tip: no one should stand in this zone.
You gotta be on the side.
You got to be out here. So we put multiple hands on these edges, lift it up,
It's just gonna come slamming.
and try to control it as it goes down, but you do not want to be under it. Up. I don't think you want to drop it.
No, don't try it. Hand on yours, are you good there? No, we're good.
Yeah. Once you're about a foot away from the water, you can let go of it.
Oh, look at that.
Ah, perfect.
Ah,
All right.
Been doing it for years. Not bad.
We're done.
You guys are hired.
All right, here comes the heroic part. I got to swim down the bottom of the water over that direction and fish the ropes off the bottom so we can tie the raft off in a nice spot out there. Wish me luck. Tom's cleaning up all the leaves that were heaped on our minuscule beach. But heck, we got 3 times as much beach as we had 20 minutes ago now. All right, this is how we make this thing motor its way out. But like a weird fool. Oh, I see rocky shoals over there. This may not be such a great idea. All right, with the help of Steve, we're gonna get this thing done. But first we gotta do some Lloyd Bridges stuff here. All right. Put my mask on and go look for the downriggers out here. Well, after lots of cursing and swearing and not tying and one GoPro operating system meltdown, the raft's in the water, everybody should be happy. So in other news, we have this beautiful display of almost fireworks-like color here with the deck plants. And over here, what's the expression? I know it's knee-high by the 4th of July for corn, but I'm trying to... Here's my knee. And my tomatoes are definitely knee-high. And look, there's a bunch of them in here. There's some nice tomatoes right there. So over there at the candlelight, they're having a laugh riot on the swim float. Hope you can see this, because I got an awful wide angle. And they're all gonna tilt to one side. Here we go. Whoa! Yeah, that's a mob scene, a 4th of July mob scene. And while this is a big lake, there are a lot of boats out here today. This is probably the biggest traffic day of the year, because everybody knows the weather's good.
Say something funny and say it in under 10 seconds is what I was told. Okay, so he's not really sleeping here, he's just pretending.
Well, I'm kind of trying.
Okay.
So we've got the evening barbecues here going in full swing. The lake's still pretty choppy from all the boat traffic here, but before I go in to eat, it's time to jump in the water and look around and see what's going on. Well, we don't have a big mob like everybody else, but we do have our own little barbecue thing going on here. A couple of chicken legs for me, and a nice burger for the missus. Yum, yum. There, this isn't too bad. So we've headed into downtown Bolton Landing, the hamlet. Giant line here at Ben & Jerry's. And another giant mob scene here in Rogers Park. Everybody's waiting for the show. So we got our spot here at Rogers Park. The fireworks will be out there.